Is your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro suddenly not charging? Whether the case is not charging when plugged in or your buds won't charge when put into the case, and there's no LED indicator showing at all, don't panic. Here are the quick fixes to get your Buds 4 back on track. First, rule out your gear. A faulty cable or wall adapter is a common culprit, so make sure you are using either an original Samsung cable or any other high-quality Type-C cable. Try swapping out your usual USB-C cable or even the power brick to see if the charging light returns. You can also dust blow the case's charging port to rule out any charging blockage. If the case still isn't responding, try taking the earbuds out and charging only the case by itself. In case the battery is fully drained, first let the case charge to 100%, then put the buds in to charge. You can actually verify if the case is receiving power by checking the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. If the case has power but the earbuds aren't reacting, again, dust and debris are likely blocking the connection. Grab a Q-tip or a small blower. Carefully clean the charging slots inside the case and the metal connectors on the earbuds themselves. Focus on the area under the wingtips and the middle surface where the buds meet the pins. Even a tiny bit of residue can stop the charge. Once everything is clean, place the buds back in and charge both the buds and the case simultaneously. If they were completely drained, they may need a jump start. In that case, leave them plugged in overnight to see if they wake up. If you've tried these tips and still see no signs of life, you might be dealing with a hardware issue. At that point, your best bet is to contact Samsung Care for a professional repair. Thanks for your time.